Welcome to the demonstration of confirm pics using a mobile device. In this demo, I will cover the enhancements that were delivered in 25B to confirm pics using a mobile device. On confirm pics page, you start with choosing an inventory organization name. If you have access to more than one org, you can choose from the list of values. If you have access to only one inventory organization, it will be defaulted and you can move to the next page. On this page, you are presented with a context switcher list of options. Depending on the context you choose, the other fields will appear on this page. When you choose to search the pic slips by pic slip context, the pic slip barcode field appears. You can either scan the pic slip barcode or enter the pic slip number in pic slip field and hit continue. On this page, you see the pic slip number and you're presented with the list of item cards within the pic slip, and on the top, item barcode. So each item card has a lot or serial control to indicate the control here. This item has no control, so you don't see anything there. So each card has the item name, description, source subinventory, and the locator information if the subinventory is locator controlled. Similarly, the destination subinventory and the locator information, the requested quantity, and the unit of measure. And you also see the group by options to group by the source or destination subinventory. And by default, all these item cards are sorted in the ascending order of subinventory and locator. Choosing the drop down for sorting options, you can switch to the descending order of subinventory and locator as well. When you have a long list of items to be picked within a pick slip, you don't really need to scroll through all those items to find out the item you're picking. You can instead start with the item barcode field. You start scanning the item. As you go, you can review all the details of the items and confirm the pick. So you start with the item barcode field where you either enter or scan the barcode of the item. And then you review all the details of the items, the details such as the item you're picking, the sub-inventory and the locator where you're picking from, the picked quantity, and you can review the other details such as the manufacturer part number, the packaging string, project number, task number, and the source order details. You see a long list of fields in this section. Most of them are hidden by default, but you can make them visible depending on your industry need or the business scenario need. And once you review and confirm the details of the pick line, you can hit pick confirm and close. Just by scanning the item barcode, you can confirm pick and close. On this page, when you click on pick all items button, you're presented with the panel drawer where you see all the line details, one line at a time. You can review and confirm each line detail and move to the next line using these arrows. And for each line, when you're ready to confirm pick, you can click on confirm pick and next. For some reason, if you're not ready to pick some of the items within the pick slip, you can exclude the lines from pick confirm. So that specific line will be excluded and will be available for picking at a later time. So you can move to the next line by clicking this when you exclude the line from pick confirm. And finally, you can confirm all the lines, all the items within the pick slip and close. So you can search for pick slips by order number context when you pick that option from the drop down, you'll be presented with order number barcode field where you can barcode the order number or enter. Then you can see the pick slip by that order where you see all the lines to be picked and you can confirm the picks. And when you go to the advanced search context from the drop down of values, you are presented with other search fields where you can actually look up for the pick slips by different options. So in this case, I picked outbound pick slip type and when you hit continue with that, you are presented with all the pick slips split by the due date. By default, you would be on the pick slips that are due today, and you can toggle between the past due and the future due pick slips. And that concludes the demonstration of Confirm Picks mobile enhancements. Thank you.